Kyla Watson photography. Almost 90% of the website is completely editable. To make any changes to the website, simply type in wp-admin right after the website URL and press enter. This will take you to the login page where you must enter the username and password. After you have entered the correct username and password, it will take you to the dashboard page from where you can make any changes to the website. To make any changes, first to any page, first go to the page manager and click all pages. Here you can see the list of pages available. Right. Now click on edit in Live Composer. It will enable you to edit most of the pages, most part of the pages from the front end of the website. As for example, if you want to change this, if you want to change the Lorem Ipsum text from here, click the click open in WP editor button. Okay, you can edit here from the text editor or the visual editor. Once you click confirm, the edit you have just made will be reflected on the front end of the website. Let me change it back. Once you are done with your editing of that particular section, remember to click confirm. After that, you need to click publish changes. Click the publish changes button from here. Similarly, you can change all these texts by clicking the edit in open in WP editor button. For all the texts available here, you can do the same. For the images like this, click on the gear icon over here. Just give it a moment to load. Once it loads, you can click on the remove image button to remove the image. And once the image has been removed, you can click the upload image button once again and select the image you want to upload from the media library, or upload a new file by clicking upload files from here and selecting a file from your desktop. I'm choosing the same image. So click remove image first. Once the image is removed, click upload image, then either upload a file or choose one from the media library. Select the image and click confirm. Once the image is completely uploaded, click confirm, then click publish changes. Always remember to click confirm after you have made an edit, and click the publish changes button after your changes are complete. It is same for all the other images on the home page. You can also edit the text of this area by clicking open in WP editor, and you can edit the about us text from here. Once you are done with the editing, click confirm, and you can see your edit is already reflected on the front end of the website. Let me change it back. Click confirm after you are done with your editing, and click publish changes. As for the homepage slider, main slider on the homepage, you can also change these images. To change these images, you need to go to the dashboard, then go to slider revolution. It is situated at the bottom of the page, of the navigation bar, left navigation bar. Click slider revolution and select home. click the edit button over here. And you can see the slides. There are total 3 slides over here. If you need to increase the number of slides, simply click duplicate. Once you have duplicated this slide, click edit. Click edit on that slide. Click change image. Let me choose this image for the new slider.